10 tips to start selling services on Fiverr. From graphic design to scriptwriting, personalized career advice to funny birthday videos, you can find pretty much any service imaginable on Fiverr. Fiverr is a little different to other top freelancing platforms like Freelancer or Upwork, with sellers posting their services, known as gigs, which clients can then browse and purchase. The platform is completely free to join, and your gigs are free to post. So whether you're already a freelancer and looking to branch out into new platforms, a talented person who'd like to make extra money, or you're just thinking of quitting your job to pursue a passion, Fiverr could be the right place for you. So how do you get your first client on the platform? This is Scott Leffler from Internet Made Simple. In today's video, we'll share with you our top 10 tips on how to sell your services on Fiverr. Before we get stuck in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you'll never miss any of our future videos. Number 10. Create the perfect profile. It may sound obvious that you'll need to create a profile to begin on Fiverr, but there are a number of things you can implement on your profile that will make it stand out among all the others. You want to include a professional-looking photo of your real face. This will help to ensure potential buyers trust that you're a real person and will also make your profile appear more professional. Use the description section to introduce yourself to potential buyers. Here, it's also important to include your areas of expertise, your process, or anything else you think is relevant. It's also vital that you list the languages you speak and note your level of fluency. This could open up your services to an even broader market. Number 9. List your credentials. Buyers want to be confident that you're the right person for the job. To put their mind at rest, you should list all of your credentials and show off your knowledge in the area you're working in. You can do this by taking all of the tests available to you, which will then be posted on your profile for buyers to see. Just be careful, as you're only able to take a test twice every 3 months if you're not happy with how your test turned out. With that being said, Fiverr does give you the option to hide your test scores if you did poorly. You should include any skills that will apply to the gigs you intend to create. These include the abilities you've gained through your past jobs, hobbies, or other life experiences. Fiverr only allows 10 skills to be added to a profile, so choose wisely. Don't forget to add where you attended college and your degrees. Also, list any additional certifications that may help you stand out from the crowd. Number 8. Post your first gig. Once the profile is all set up, it's time to post your first gig. When writing your title, you're only allowed 80 characters, so make each one count and ensure that it's clear and concise. You want your potential buyers to know exactly what it is you're offering. Also, write something that will stand out from the crowd by keeping the title as original as possible. Based upon your title, Fiverr will automatically suggest a few categories and subcategories. Usually one of these will match your gig. If you don't get a category match, you're able to search for one that best fits your gig. Putting the right tags on your gig is very important. They're one of the main ways buyers are matched with the right seller. When selecting your tags, do your research by looking at other similar gigs as well as using a keyword generator. Number 7. Make sure the price is right. The pricing of gigs has evolved quite a lot since Fiverr was first released. Now, a gig can have 3 pricing options: basic, standard, and premium. Each package can be priced anywhere from $5 to $995, with your basic package having the lowest price and your premium the highest. Remember, you can always adjust your price later on, so in the beginning it may be smart to keep them low to help build reviews. There's also an option to add gig extras to your services, which you can charge extra fees for. There are some frequently used extras that can be chosen from a menu, such as extra fast delivery and additional revisions. If there's an extra you'd like to include but isn't available, it's super easy to create your own. Number 6. Establish clear gig requirements. To make sure there are no disagreements later on in the process, it's vital that you have plenty of information. To do this, you should add a gig requirement box that will appear after purchase is made. This will prompt your client to answer any of your important questions. You'll also be able to accept files and links in this section so that a client can attach a video or image to show you the style they're looking for. If a client mentions a service that wasn't calculated into the original quote, then you can address the issue early on and update the price. Number 5. Add a gallery to your gig. All listings should include a photo that's relevant to the service you're selling, especially if it's a graphic or web design gig. Even if the job is something that's not easily photographed, like a writing gig, you should still include an eye-catching photo. Just choose something relevant to the job, even if it's not necessarily a sample of your work. Fiverr allows up to 3 photos that can be dragged and dropped into your gallery, but it's important that you own the images or your gig may be taken down. You can also add a video to your gig, which will further show off your skills and attract potential buyers. Number 4. Spread the word. For more exposure, create a free blog with either Tumblr, Blogger, or WordPress, and post once per week sharing your experience and samples of some of your most recent work. Because you're just starting out, this will definitely help your gigs get noticed and generate more traffic to your Fiverr profile. Over time, you'll build an audience of people that will be happy to make repeat orders if your work is good enough. Number 3. Build your reviews. Once you start getting buyers for your services, then it's a good idea to start building positive reviews by keeping your prices low and giving your client an extra service that they didn't know was included. For example, a writer may include a larger word count at no extra cost, or provide source links and high-quality image links. Also, keeping in constant communication with your client throughout the process will put their mind at rest and show them that you're a professional. All of this will be reflected in the feedback you get once the gig is complete. Don't be discouraged if a buyer doesn't leave a review. It often means that they've forgotten. You could always send them a friendly message expressing how grateful you would be to read their feedback in the review section. Number 2. Promote gigs on social media. Fiverr really likes outside traffic and visitors. In fact, Fiverr gives more priority to those profiles who are getting traffic from the outside, like social media, blogs, and forums. To get traffic from the outside, social media marketing is the best and easiest option. Just share your gigs regularly on different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. It will generate more traffic for your Fiverr gigs, and your ranking will increase day by day. Apart from the social media sharing, you can also interact with forums, Quora, Yahoo Discussion, Google Groups, and any other platform that will allow you to post the links of your Fiverr gigs. Number 1. Stay online 24/7. Active profiles get far more orders and responses than those that show the seller as offline. So try to stay online 24/7, or as much as you can. To always stay online, make sure you install the Fiverr mobile app on your smartphone. The mobile app is the best and easiest place to stay online and allows you to respond to buyers and manage your profile far more easily. Fiverr prefers users to respond quickly, even giving you a response rating on your profile. So being notified any time of the day will help your profile stay healthy. And that concludes our video on Fiverr tips for beginners. If you follow each of these points and make sure that every piece of work you complete is of the highest quality, there's no doubt that you will succeed on Fiverr. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by hitting the like button. If you'd like to watch more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.